Today we're going to talk about updating your can lights. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, so I got this box of new can lights here, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of cool features about it. Okay, I apologize for the shaky cam. I don't have my tripod with me today, so I'm just using the cell phone. We're going to be talking about this box of can lights, this updated LED can lights, because we're replacing this old-fashioned fixture right there, the whole thing. Getting rid of that old nasty trim kit and that old power-sucking bulb. Okay, right? So, let me tell you about a couple of the features that these have and show you why you may or may not want these. If you do want these, I'll have a link in the description down below. I did get these at the local Home Depot, and I'll check to see if there's Amazon links for this particular one as well. Now these ones here, they have this little pigtail here with the light socket end. You know, you'll see this, you recognize that, looks like out of the base of a light bulb. These are a very universal fit. So let's see what you get in the box, and then show you a special feature about these, alright? So you get 4 of these. See, it's all in one. Okay, there's no bulb to replace. It's all soldered in LED. It's got the new trim kit. It's got your spring clips. Alright, there's a little wire right there. So in the bag, we'll have some extra brackets here for certain can lights that may need them to be screwed into place. Don't typically use that. And then here is the bag. I'm trying to do this all one-handed, guys, sorry. So you just stick that on there, screw this in, and it works. The cool feature about these particular ones, really cool, I haven't seen this yet, been waiting for it, is you can actually adjust the color of the light. Alright, now check this out. So for those of you who aren't super familiar with LEDs, okay, this says it's a, I think it said it's a 60 watt equivalent replacement. Alright, right there, 65 watt bulb replacement. Okay, but these things are only using about 10 watts a piece, okay? The brightness is what you want to look at, how many lumens each bulb puts out. So each bulb puts out 700 lumens, which is pretty equivalent to a 60-65 watt bulb. You have to watch it because some of these are way down to like 600 or something like that, and some go all the way up to 800. So this one's right in the middle, it's pretty good. But then you have the color of the lights, you know, whether they're the more softer yellowish lights all the way up to the super bright, which are almost blue. And they're measured in Kelvin. So these bulbs, you know, can switch between 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000. Okay? And they're super easy to switch. You just do this, click, 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 and you can switch them at any time. Okay? So that's really all there is to that. So it shows you what you get in your box. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Remember, I will have a link in the description down below so you can find these here. Like I said, I'll try to put multiple links if I can find Amazon, but I know a local Home Depot, I found these. They're really great, so we're getting ready to do the install video. I'm going to show you guys how to swap them out the best I can with one hand while I'm holding the phone. Okay, but we'll do that, so don't forget to click on those links, you know, over there, and on the other side I have the subscribe to my channel, my website, and all that stuff. So guys, thanks again for watching. You have a good one.